All right, we had a very weak system make its way through the region. That brought us snow, but as we head into the evening, we will see a little more before a lot of this does start to push out by tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening, but behind it will be a cooler shot of air, so expect temperatures to drop about a good 10 degrees over the next couple of days. But there is the system right now making its way into lower Michigan, and they are starting to see more of that snowfall. Right now for us here into Marquette, we are at 32 degrees. Winds still coming in from the southwest at 6 miles per hour, so haven't quite seen that change in wind direction, and when we get that, that's when that cooler air will start to arrive. But at 32 here in Marquette, right at that freezing mark, and off to the west seeing similar conditions, 33 degrees in Ontonagon, 30 in Ironwood, and in the lower 30s in Crystal Falls down to Menominee, and lower 30s for us in Munising, 34 in Escanaba, and at 32 in Ishpeming. But look at our current winds, currently coming in from the southwest, 3 into Houghton, 10 in Munising, and a little farther south in Escanaba. Calm wind for you into Escanaba and in Iron Mountain, but we should start to see that wind start to come out of the northwest by later on this evening, and temperatures across the entire state on the mild side in comparison to what we have seen most of the earlier portions of the month. 39 degrees in Grand Rapids, 41 in Lansing, while here into the UP, mostly in the 30s. Let's talk about our headlines, because snow showers will start to head out of here, and then as we go into portions of tomorrow, that's when we will really start to see that snow just completely gone out of the viewing area by tomorrow night. Sunshine does return as high pressure will regain control by Wednesday, and it looks like this week yet again will be another quiet week for us. Not expecting any big storm on the way for us throughout most of this week, and even temperatures will start to moderate a bit as we head closer to the end of it. But we do have this system making its way eastward, the cooler air starting to filter in on the backside, and what we will be expecting on tomorrow is some leftover snow showers in lower Michigan, but for us here into the UP, that should end very early, and we should start to see maybe even partial clearing by late tomorrow night, but most definitely by Wednesday. Let's take a look at our Futurecast model showing that the storms are starting to head out of here. The snow will begin to fade away by tomorrow morning and tomorrow afternoon, and then skies will really begin to break apart as we head closer to Wednesday, and we'll start to see mostly sunny skies on the way for us there. For tonight, we'll call for a low of 22 degrees as winds do become northerly, 10 to 20 miles per hour, and they'll start to pick up as well, scattered snow showers throughout the evening. But for us on Tuesday, the snow, it really heads out of here early. Winds still around 10 to 20 miles per hour, but look at highs for tomorrow, 23 degrees in Lawrence at 27 in Ontonagon, and we'll call for 29 in Crystal Falls and 29 also in Iron Mountain. And more the 30s as you go farther off to the east at 30 degrees in Escanaba, 30 in Manistee, and at 33 in Munising. Now let's go ahead and take a look at your 7-day forecast, because after the early snow on Tuesday, things become a lot quieter for us throughout the rest of the week. Highs, they'll be cooler to start off, but then as we head into Thursday and Friday, notice how we're starting to rebound back into the 30s, and then by the weekend, maybe even the 40s.